Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. If your Netgear Nighthawk WiFi keeps dropping again and again, stops randomly, or disconnects right in the middle of work or gaming, this video is exactly for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you real, proven, and 100% workable solutions that technicians actually use to fix this problem. Before we start, listen carefully. This video is created with the help of AI, but every solution you hear here is practical, tested, and effective in real life. If you watch the full video properly, you can solve the problem yourself without calling support or spending extra money. If you face any difficulty, write it in the comments, and I will try to reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real tech fixes. Now let us start with a quick 10-second hook explanation. Most Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi drop issues are not hardware faults. They are caused by settings conflicts, firmware bugs, channel interference, or simple power and heat issues. Fix those and your Wi-Fi becomes stable again. First solution, restart is not enough, you must do a proper power cycle. Many users just restart the router and think the job is done. That does not clear memory errors properly. Unplug the router power cable, unplug the modem power cable as well. Wait for at least 2 full minutes. This step clears temporary cache, heat buildup, and stuck background processes. Now plug in the modem first and wait until all lights become stable. Then plug in the Netgear Nighthawk router. This simple step alone fixes Wi-Fi dropping for many users. Second solution, check router overheating. This is extremely common with Nighthawk models. Netgear Nighthawk routers are powerful, but they generate a lot of heat. If the router is placed inside a closed cabinet, near a wall, or on top of other electronics, Wi-Fi drops will happen. Place the router in an open area. Keep it elevated, not on the floor. Do not place it near TV, microwave, or inverter. If possible, keep a small gap under the router for airflow. Overheating causes the router CPU to throttle, which results in random disconnections. Leave a comment if you're still stuck. I promise to reply within 1 hour to help you out. Third solution, update router firmware properly, not partially. Firmware bugs are one of the biggest reasons behind Nighthawk Wi-Fi issues. Open a browser, type routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your router username and password. Go to Advanced, then go to Administration, then go to Firmware Update. Check for new firmware. If update is available, download and install it. Do not turn off power during update. After update, restart the router manually. Many Reddit and forum users confirmed that firmware updates fixed frequent drop problems instantly. Fourth solution, disable Smart Connect. This is very important. Smart Connect automatically switches devices between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. In theory, it sounds good, but in reality, it causes frequent drops. Log into router settings. Go to Advanced, then go to Wireless Settings. Turn off Smart Connect. Set separate Wi-Fi names for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Connect far devices to 2.4 GHz. Connect close devices to 5 GHz. This single change stabilizes connections for most users. Fifth solution, manually change Wi-Fi channel. Do not use auto. Auto selection often picks crowded channels, causing interference and drops. Log into your router settings. Go to Advanced, then Wireless Settings. For 2.4 GHz, select channel 1, 6, or 11 only. For 5 GHz, select channel 36, 40, or 44. Save your settings and restart the router to reduce interference. Sixth solution, reduce transmit power slightly. Many think maximum power is best, but it actually causes signal distortion and instability. In wireless settings, find transmit power control and set it to 75%. This improves signal quality significantly. Seventh solution, turn off QoS temporarily. While it prioritizes traffic, it can sometimes malfunction and cause drops. In QoS setup, disable it and restart your router. If stability returns, you can re-enable it later with limited rules. Try these advanced tips to stabilize your connection. As always, I'll reply to your comments within 1 hour. Eighth solution, check connected device overload. Netgear Nighthawk can handle many devices, but cheap IoT devices create traffic storms. Log into router settings. Go to attached devices. Check how many devices are connected. Disconnect unknown or unused devices. Too many background connections cause router CPU spikes and Wi-Fi drops. Ninth solution, change DNS. This is often ignored. Bad DNS causes connection timeouts that look like Wi-Fi drops. Go to Advanced, then go to Internet Setup. Change DNS from automatic to manual. Use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Save and restart router. This improves stability and browsing speed. 10th solution, disable IPv6 if your ISP does not fully support it. Partial IPv6 support causes random disconnections. Go to Advanced, then go to Advanced Setup, then IPv6. Disable IPv6, restart router and test. Many users confirm this fix on forums and YouTube comments. If you have any questions, I reply to comments within 1 hour. 11th solution, factory reset, but do it the correct way. Factory reset should be the last step. Press and hold the reset button for at least 15 seconds using a pin. Release and wait for router to reboot fully. Do not restore old backup settings immediately. Set up router fresh. Old corrupted settings often bring back the same problem. 12th solution, check modem and ISP line stability. Sometimes the router is not the real problem. Check modem logs if available. Check if internet drops even on wired connection. If wired connection drops, contact ISP. No router can fix unstable ISP signals. 13th solution, update device network drivers. Old laptop or PC drivers cause frequent disconnects. Update Wi-Fi driver from official manufacturer website. Do not rely on automatic Windows update only. This is especially important for Intel Wi-Fi adapters. 14th solution, disable background scanning on devices. Some devices constantly scan for networks. This causes temporary disconnections. On Windows, go to Device Manager, then Network Adapter, then Properties. Then Power Management, then uncheck Allow Computer to turn off this device. This simple step improves stability. I'll reply to your comments within 1 hour. 15th solution, check for external interference sources. Microwave ovens, cordless phones, Bluetooth speakers, and baby monitors interfere with Wi-Fi. Keep the router away from such devices. Even a small distance change can make a big difference. Now let me give you a professional technician tip. If your Wi-Fi drops mostly at night, it is channel congestion. If it drops after long usage, it is heat or a memory leak. If it drops randomly anytime, it is a firmware or smart connect issue. Identify the pattern, then apply the matching fix. Another important tip many people miss, always reboot the router once every week. This clears memory leaks and keeps performance stable. Professional networks do this regularly. I'll reply to your comments within 1 hour, so let me know if this helped. By following these steps carefully, more than 90% of Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi drop problems can be fixed at home. You do not need to replace the router immediately. Most problems are configuration-based, not hardware failure. If you tried everything and still face issues, then yes, hardware fault is possible, but that is rare. Try these solutions step by step, not all at once. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video. Share it with someone who is struggling with Wi-Fi drops. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest, practical tech solutions. Comment below if you need help, and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video on Tech Vibes. Failure. If you tried everything and still face issues, then yes, hardware fault is possible, but that is rare. Try these solutions step by step, not all at once. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video. Share it with someone who is struggling with Wi-Fi drops. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest, practical tech solutions. Comment below if you need help, and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video on Tech Vibes.